So yeah, it's another typical day, even though it's Vlogmas Day 16. Kids are doing school. Bella's back there somewhere. Hard at work. Will is over here. And Natasha, well, she's working, so we gotta stay out of there, but she's behind door number 1. Oh, there's her head. Oh, that's exciting. There, you saw her. Congratulations. Alright, so today we're doing another cookie. What cookie are we doing today? Vlogmas Day 16. Roll that Vlogmas intro.
Merry Vlogmas 2022.
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode.
Today, we're making the best kind of cookies. The chocolatey, the caramely, the sugary chocolate Rolo cookies. Stay with us. My favorite Christmas cookies are the Chocolate Rolo cookies. They're my favorite because I really like chocolate and caramel mixed together. And one of my favorite candies are Rolos and Twix and Milky Way, things like that. So when a Rolo is added in a chocolate cookie, it's like the best thing in the world. My mom got this recipe off of a newspaper. So here it is. Your ingredients for the Chocolate Rolo cookies are 1 1/4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter, half cup of granulated sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 6 tablespoons of cocoa, powdered sugar for rolling, Rolo candies. Just like the other cookie recipes, make sure you mix the dry ingredients and wet ingredients separate. And then slowly mix the dry into the wet. Once it's mixed together, scoop the bowl out onto some plastic wrap. And throw it in the fridge. Take your Rolo, push it into the dough, and form a ball around it. Take your dough, roll it in the powdered sugar, and make sure all of it is covered so it's perfect. And then put it on the parchment paper. Set your convection oven at 375. Sounds like it's time to put them in the oven. Cook on 375 for 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure to take them out a bit early if you want them soft. The cookies are ready. Let's take them out of the oven. Wow, look at that. They look yummy. We only put the first batch on for about 10 minutes, and when we took them out, they made a little mess. So don't put them on the rack right when you take them out. Wait a few minutes so that they can set. All you have to do, take the parchment paper from your tray, and carefully slide it over to the rack. They should be able to cool from there. We learned from the first batch that since we made the cookies a little bigger than normal, that they had to have a little more time. So we put the next batches on for about 15 minutes. The last thing we have to do is make sure they taste great. So I'm gonna take this one because it got messed up from the first batch. As you can see, there's caramel on the bottom and powdered sugar on the top. And when you pull it apart, doesn't that look good? Let's give it a try. Crunchy rim, soft inside. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, give it a try. It tastes great. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell. If you like our channel even more, become a member and share to others so the community grows. I'm Bella from Nursing Our Travel Vlog, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. And that's a chocolate Rolo cookie on the day of Christmas while opening your presents. Bye.
Rolling.
Hi everyone. Today making
Explain what we give them.
As you can see, there's the caramel on the bottom and the powdered sugar on the top.
As you can see.
As you can see, there's caramel on the bottom.
No, can't see.
As you can see, there's caramel
There.
on the bottom.
Start over. Now what? Start talking.
As you can see, there's the caramel on the bottom.
Wait, it's focusing on your face. Try it again.
As you can see,
Been good focus on that.
what are you typing in?
Okay.
Go away.
Green.
Go. Go. Good boy.